this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your NIN number, whether you lost your old NIN and you want to update it with the new NIN with the new number that you are using. So I'm going to teach you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can update your previous NIN number with your new NIN number. So without no further delay, let's get started. So you are going to go to your browser, your Chrome browser, and type remita.net. Once you get to remita.net, so you are going to scroll down till you see bills and purchase. So when you see bills and purchase, you click on it. After clicking on it, you click on pay bills. So when you get to pay bills, it's going to load. The page is loading. So what do you want to pay for? You are going to enter national identification. Okay, national identity management. Okay, national identity management commission. Name and service of purpose. Then you are going to choose here. You are going to come to modification of any other field other than DOP. You click on it, because actually you can actually pay for if you want to change your date of birth too. This is it, your date of birth. This fee is 500 naira, so date of birth is 15,000 naira. This is date of birth, as you can see, is 15,000 naira. So you're going to click on modification of any other fee, which is 500 naira. Then payer's name, you are going to enter your name. Phone number, you are going to enter your phone number, and then you click on I'm not a robot. Then you are going to click on submit. Once you click on submit, a receipt will be generated for you to enter your card details. Let me click on it. So it's loading. So you are going to enter your card details here, like your Visa card, your MasterCard, or your Visa card, or your Naira MasterCard, either credit or debit, but you can go with debit. After entering the card number here, you are going to enter the expiring date here. The expiring months are here. Then when you turn the back to the card, at the top by the right hand side, you are going to see a 3-digit number here. That's the CCV number, which is here. After entering there, you are going to click on pay. After clicking on pay, then the 666 naira 94 kobo will be automatically deducted from your account. After the money has been deducted, a receipt will be automatically generated for you. After generating the receipt, then you have to go to any standard authorized NIMC enrollment center. Note, we have different type of NIMC enrollment center. Some are not standard, while some are standard. The standard one are the government organization center, which we have in each state. From me, I stay in Abeokuta, and we have ours in Okemoson, at Okemoson, beside, in front of the governor's office. So if you want to know the NIMC center that is actually close to you, you can just download the NIMC app and check it on the NIMC app. So you are going to see the one that is actually close to your area. We have in Lagos, we have in Abuja, we have at Sango-Ota, we have at Idiroko. So but here in Abeokuta, our own is at Okemoson. along that governor's office road. So after getting to the the NIMC center, then you are going to show them the receipts of your payments, the receipt that you generated here. You are going to show them the receipts, and we tell them the purpose of the payment, which is you want to have your old number updated to this new number, as in the new number that you are currently using, whether you lost the old number and you can't retrieve it back again, and you are now using new number that you want to update your information with. So just go there, and the receipt will be collected, the reference number will be punched into the system, and your profile will pop up, and they will change the phone number for you. After changing the phone number for you, you'll be able to check your NIN on your phone number. So that's all. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a comment, like this video, and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.